Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to animate a border in After Effects. So let's start. Create a new composition. Type border animation. Click OK. Toggle off transparency grid. Double-click on Project panel and import border element PNG image into project. Right-click and create a new solid. I am changing the color to gray color. Click OK. Drag the PNG border image to timeline. Adjust the scale of the image. Now select Pen tool. Change fill to none and stroke to solid color. I am changing the brush size to 13. Now draw as shown. After that, change the PNG layer track matte to alpha matte shape layer 1. Click drop down arrow in shape layer 1 and add trim paths. Open trim path. Go up 0.15 seconds in timeline and add a keyframe to end. Go up 0 seconds in timeline and change end value to 0. Hide shape layer 1 and unhide border design PNG image layer. Select shape and change brush size to 17. Take a duplicate of border PNG and place it above the shape layer 1. And then take a duplicate of shape layer 1 and place it above the border PNG. Change track matte to none. Unhide shape layer 2. Select shape layer 2 and go to Layer, Transform, Flip Horizontal. You can see the shape layer is in the left side now. Change track matte to alpha matte shape layer 2. Continue doing these steps till end. Here is my final animation. So if you like this tutorial, hit like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel to just stay tuned to all my future videos. Thanks for watching.